Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. All right, so basically there are two ways. The first one is if you want to make a text bigger from your story. The second one is that if you want to make your entire app look big, okay, or the text look big. So first off, for the stories. So for example, we are going to take a snap right here, and then let's go ahead and add in a text, just like so, and just basically select a bigger style right here. Let's say, for example, this one. Tap on done and try to at least pinch it to make it bigger. Now, if you want the text and everything right here to look big, you'll have to go to your settings on your iPhone or Android. So for iPhone, just go to settings and display and brightness, and then you'll be able to see text size and just drag the slider to right. And for Android, it's basically the same, just different titles, okay? Display, font size right here, and style. So I can just go ahead and make it bigger. And once that's done, I'm going to tap away, just like so, and everything right here looks bigger. I'm going to tap on, Snapchat. And as you can see here, it now seems bigger. That's how simple it is to make text bigger on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.